Okay, welcome to part 3. So you can use this idea of direct proportion and the unitary method to help us when we go to the supermarket. Okay, supermarkets are full of tricks, they're full of offers, and it's very, very difficult to actually work out whether the offer is a good offer or not compared to, say, something else. Okay, so here is an example. We've got 3 types of tomato ketchup that we can buy, 3 offers from 3 different supermarkets. And basically, the 2 questions here, do you know what I'm going to do? I'm actually going to delete the question because it's just in the way. So let's delete the question. The question is very simple, which is which superstore is going to give you the best value for money? Okay? So we're going to use the unitary method, but there's a little trick to it first because they're all doing sort of different offers, okay? So let's look at fresh stores, okay? It says the normal price for a 500 milliliter bottle is £1.50. But there's a special offer. It says you get 3 for the price of 2. So that means that it must cost £3 for 1,500 millilitres of ketchup, okay? And you've got to be really careful with that. You've got to read it carefully because basically we're saying times the price by 2 and times the amount by 3 because you get 3 for every 2 that you pay for, okay? Now, so what we can do from this is we can use the unitary method. How much does 1 milliliter cost? So we're going to divide everything by 1,500. Okay, we're going to get some really small numbers here, but it doesn't really matter. Okay, so 3 divided by 1,500 is equal to 0.002 pounds per milliliter. Okay, so this is in pounds, and that's so 0.002 pounds per milliliter. Okay, so that's how well I'm doing with fresh stores. Now, local mart, the normal price is £2 for each 500 milliliter bottle, but you can buy a multi-pack for 5 bottles for £4.95. Okay, so let's just times everything by 5. Well, we can clearly see that it's better to buy the multi-pack. Okay, so we'll get 2,500 mils for £10 if you buy them individually, but £4.95 if I buy a multi-pack. So £4.95 will help me get 2,500 millilitres of ketchup. Okay, so again, let's use the unitary method. Let's divide everything by 2,500. Okay, so that's going to give me 1 milliliter. We want to know what the cost of 1 milliliter is. So 4.95 divided by 2,500 is equal to, here we go, 0.00198. So now we can compare our answers. It seems to me that fresh stores is slightly more expensive than local mart. Okay? The price per milliliter is slightly higher at fresh stores than it is at local mart. Okay? Right, let's do USave. I'll do USave at the top left, so I've got room. Well, that's easy. Actually, there's no special offers here. They simply charge £1.55 for 1 750 milliliter bottle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide that by 750 and divide by 750 here. That will give me 1 milliliter of ketchup. So 1.55 divided by 750 equals 0.0026 pounds. So again, we can see that USave is slightly more expensive than fresh stores, which is slightly more expensive than local mart. So the best value for money you will get at local mart, The second best value for money you will get at fresh stores, and the worst value for money you will get at USave. So we use this unitary method. How much does it cost for one thing? Okay, and that helps us directly compare where we're getting the best deal from. Okay, we can use the unitary method because everything is in direct proportion. If I times 1 by 2, I multiply the other by 2 as well. Okay, so here's some questions for you to do. Stop your video and have a go. Okay, so here's the answer. So use the unitary method, find out how much it costs for 1 kilogram. Okay, and you can see that farm shop is better. Okay, so answer B is supermarket, and C, supermarket again. Okay, so working out your best values. If you're not sure, ask for help. Okay, next one, stop your video and have a go, finding out which pack of batteries is the best value for money. Okay, so this is the 15 pack is the best value. Why might you choose to buy a pack of batteries that is not the best value for money? Okay, one, you might not have enough money, but also we don't actually know that these are actually exactly the same batteries. Maybe they're different qualities as well, but yeah, you might not have enough money. So if you don't have enough money, you might not be able to get the best value for your money. Okay, right, okay, stop the video there. There's one more